friends, it is very important the way we articulate the profession we are in, the way we articulate and explain what's the purpose of our doing what we do every day. And many people who succeed in their business is because they know what they are really doing. There can be two people doing the same business, and one person is doing extremely well and one not so well. And it's not that the person doing extremely well is lucky or he is getting better customers, but it is because he knows what he is doing and he has defined his goals and his purpose very well. So here, friends, Dharmendra here, and as you know, I always like to have a different take on several things, and I feel that when you look at a particular problem or a challenge from a different angle, a different perspective, one achieves quite interesting and handsome solutions. So, as an advisor, it is important to articulate our purpose. We can define our purpose very differently. One can say, for example, my purpose is to help people make massive investment returns. Another may actually be a little different, and it could say, my purpose is to ensure that people spend the right amount of money at the right point in time, and I will do this by ensuring that there is enough money available for them. So, friends, the first purpose was I am going to provide you the path to make lots and lots of money. The second was that I will provide you a beautiful life where you can spend whatever you need to spend without worrying, because you'll always have enough. Very different way of expressing the same profession, but you get very different outcomes. Finally, happiness is a function of several things. And for example, if I were to draw up an analogy of a cup of coffee, where let's say happiness is a nice cup of coffee, and let's say milk is the money. Okay, so when I put milk into the coffee, it's like putting money into my life. So when I put milk into the coffee, to get a great cup of coffee, I don't need to put more and more milk. It's the right amount of milk that I need to put. So by adding more sugar, the coffee does not become better. By adding more milk, the coffee doesn't get better. Everything has to be in the right proportions. Everything has to be calibrated in the right manner so that we have a good quality of life. However, money alone, which many people think is the be all and end all, actually, money alone is not the solution to being a happy person. I'm not trying to say that money is not important. It is like the fuel. If you don't have fuel, how will you drive your car? But that doesn't mean I need to have tons and tons of fuel. I also need to have a good car, a good destination, a good driver, and good company. So let's understand that money plays a role, not the role. Your perspective of money has a direct impact on both your happiness and that of the people who you impact. The more we touch the hearts, the better is the spread of happiness. Okay, while we help people invest and create wealth, but the circle of life is completed only by the ability to transform wealth into experiences and influences. People like to have great experiences in their life, and people also like to influence other people. They want to be leaders, they want to change the world. This is the innate need of people, which many times people themselves can't articulate. And that is why today everybody loves to put up their pictures on Facebook and receive a like. So we all like to be influencers. So people like to influence and people like to experience, and money needs to help them do these things. An aeroplane, for example, if it is parked in the airport, means nothing, means absolutely nothing until there is enough fuel, there are pilots, there is a staff, there are technicians, and most importantly, excited passengers wanting to spend on the flight. Perspectives, friends, do matter, and they matter a lot. And education in finance starts beyond the knowledge of products and markets. I rest my case. It's up to you to listen to this podcast, judge for yourself whether you are a wealth creator alone or you are a life and a happiness creator.